Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Diyah Ayu Apriliya Listiani, and now I wanna review about this learning video. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're gonna discuss is about opening activity. And in my opinion, the opening given by the teacher in this video is very good. In addition to greetings and asking about student condition like how are you students, so the teacher provide motivation before learning activity. I think this is very useful for students because some things, simple things like this have a big impact on student getting encouraged to study. But in this video, the teacher doesn't take attendance who is present or not. So then the teacher gives a brainstorming by discussing a little about what has been learned last week, and every student who answered the teacher's question was given an appreciation. Again, a simple things but had a big impact. Then after discussing the material, last week the teacher tried to discuss a little about the material to be delivered. So the teacher conveys the learning objective to be conveyed. After the learning activities, what is expected from the student. And the teacher also conveys an outline of learning and convey importance of competence from various points of view. Alright, now we will discuss about the core activity. The teacher displays the video as a tool to convey the material, and after watching the video, the students will be asked questions about the video that has been shown. After that, the teacher directs the students to the problem. Students are given the questions, and in the video, students are divided into 3 groups to solve the problems in 15 minutes. In this activity, students are asked to process information together, and the teacher guides groups investigation. After finishing, the students were asked to present the result of their discussion in front of their friends or in front of class. After the teacher analyze and evaluate the problem solving process by explaining again about the work step to strengthen students' understanding. And the last is closing activity. The teacher invites students to make a conclusion about what they learned today, and the teacher reflects on learning with students by asking which parts are interesting from the material that has been studied. And in this video, the teacher also evaluates learning through the Google Form as a test that must be done at home or as a homework. So then the teacher discusses a little about what will be discussed next meeting. And to close the class, the teacher closing the class by saying Alhamdulillah and then saying greetings to all of students. Okay, I think that's all from me, and I think this learning video is very useful for the teacher and for me especially. I can learn much about how to teach the students and how to make students enjoy for study. I think that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.